So for this video, we will be talking about how to convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So the problem is, what is the Fahrenheit equivalent of 100 degrees Celsius? So no previous video natin, we are talking about converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, we'll be converting degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, baliktad. So, if we will convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, ang gagamitin natin na formula is degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So, ayan. So, 9/5, yung given natin dito na 100 degrees Celsius, ilalagay lang natin dito. Ayan, plus 32. So, by using your calculator, so ipag-input nyo po sa calculator ninyo, you have to input this one first, calculate that one, then add 32. So, with that, it will give you 212 degrees Fahrenheit.